My name is Serge Kramer, formerly also known as Sergius Kramer. But at DIA, I'm Serge. I was born in Estonia and I also grew up there. But the thing is, Estonia, as you all know, DIA is part of it, is one of the digital nations. And Estonia is actually the leading digital nation. They do everything digital. They try to be transparent and open, as hopefully New Zealand will be one day. At DIA, I'm making sure that vendor and DIA software is doing what it's intended to do. I live on level 2 at Pipitea Street on a tech level, and sometimes people refer to me as technical or security or whatever tester, but I'm in a testing team and it's a great bunch of people, and I love being technical. I joined DIA on the 9th of October 2013. This is actually coming to 5 years this year.
Wow.
Yeah, that's 5 years at DIA, and I've worked on a lot of projects. I started with the kapa haka when I found out about it. It wasn't the first year, okay? So as far as I remember, we had 3 attempts. So it must have been 3 years or more than 3 years, because Te Reo was not the language I knew, right? It was something new for me, coming from eastern part in Germany and whatever. But the language comes actually naturally to me because German and Estonian, Russian not so much, that I speak as well, but Estonian and German is very similar. They have A, E, I, O, U. Estonian adds U, A, Ö and Ü, which is quite different, like Põhja and Jüja and stuff like this. Anyway, kapa haka has been fun since I joined it, and with the team in 2017 we actually made it to Te Konohete and made a really impact on stage. He tangata, he tangata, he tangata. It's the people, definitely the people, the group, just the songs and the actions and doing something together. It's really nice, and the values of the Maori culture are very close to my own values and my wife's and my family, basically.
What?
If you like it, if you like singing, if you like dancing, and even if you don't like any of this, just come along and try it out, because the group is awesome. They will make you like it. It's just fun being together and doing stuff. And we have Maria come along, and she promotes it really openly and loves it.
Okay.
Well, I think a very energetic song is Toia. Toia maite wakane kume. Yeah, that one. I think this has a big impact. But for myself, I actually like a cappella songs. I would sing, I could sing something in Estonian. For example, Merion, Meria, Meriole Mapea. That's a song about the sea. The ocean is, the ocean stays, the ocean has to be. I love kapa haka, come and join the group. Valged kajakat tantsivad rannas, punapäikeseloojangul eel, tuule keerises jõuavad randa, valged lained, mis muutuvad teel. Meri on, meri jääb, meri olema peab, lained laksudes rannale lööb. Tihti juhtub ka nii, meripidu peab siin, lained mõunal randuvad siin. Thanks.